Hi everyone, I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. Welcome back to our English Practice Podcast.
Here we speak in very simple English, slow and clear, so you can learn easily.
No difficult grammar,
No complex vocabulary.
just natural, daily life English conversation.
And today's topic is very useful. Your English practice at home.
Your English practice at home. Let's begin. So, Alex, how do you practice English at home?
Oh, at home I try many things. Some are smart, some are funny, some are just weird.
Same! Home is the best place to practice English and also the easiest place to get distracted. Like, Mia, clean your room. Mia, stop scrolling Instagram. Mia, focus please.
Yes, I also talk to myself. I walk around the house and say things like, "Okay, Alex, what's the plan today? What are we learning? Why are we hungry again?"
Talking to yourself improves confidence. No fear, no pressure, no judgment.
And if someone hears you, just pretend you're practicing for a speech.
When I do house chores, I practice English in my mind. Like washing dishes. I describe what I'm doing. I'm washing the plate. Now I'm cleaning the pan.
Yes, I do that too. When I cook, I narrate everything. I'm cutting vegetables. Now I'm mixing spices. Now I'm burning the food. Wait, no!
But it helps. Your brain learns English naturally.
Exactly. Daily tasks plus English thinking equals powerful practice.
At home, I watch English movies, shows, or short videos, but not too difficult ones.
Same. I watch simple content with subtitles. I pause, rewind, repeat. It feels like studying, but also relaxing.
And sometimes I copy the lines to improve pronunciation.
Yes, shadowing technique at home equals amazing practice.
I also read English out loud, even if it's just a small article or short story.
Yes, reading out loud improves speaking, fluency, and confidence.
And if you make a mistake, no one hears, except the walls.
Walls don't judge.
At home, I write small English notes, like a mini diary. What I did today, what I learned, what my mood is.
Yes, writing at home feels peaceful. No teacher pressure. Just you and your thoughts.
And writing improves grammar naturally.
One small paragraph a day equals big improvement later.
Sometimes I speak English with my family. Just small lines. How are you? What are you doing? What do you want to eat?
That's great. My family tries, but they laugh sometimes.
Same. Families don't take English practice seriously, but still, it helps.
Even 2 to 3 lines daily make a big difference.
I also practice English with things around me. Like, I look at a chair and say, "This is a chair." Or I describe the room.
Oh, I do that too. Sometimes I pretend I'm giving a YouTube room tour. This is my desk. This is my bed. This is my laundry that I still haven't folded.
This method is funny but effective.
Okay, listeners, repeat after us.
I practice English at home every day.
I talk to myself in English.
I watch English videos and read out loud.
I try to think in English.
My English is improving slowly. Great job!
Why home practice is important.
Home is the best place to practice. No fear, no pressure, no judgment.
Yes, at home, you can make mistakes freely and improve freely.
Consistency is more important than perfection.
Even 10 minutes a day can change your English level.
Alex, do you ever send voice notes to yourself?
Yes, I open my recorder, talk about my day, and then listen to it again.
Same. At first, it feels strange. Like, why am I talking to myself?
But it actually helps. You hear your pronunciation, your pauses, your mistakes.
And then you can improve them. It's like being your own English coach. I also made a small English corner at home.
Oh, nice. What is an English corner?
Just a small area with sticky notes, vocabulary cards, and simple sentences on the wall.
Ah, so whenever you look at them, your brain remembers English automatically.
Exactly. Zero pressure. Just daily, soft learning.
Another fun method, naming objects in your home.
Yes, I do that all the time. Like, this is my cup. This is my charger. I'm opening the window.
And it's so simple. No grammar stress, just speaking what you see.
And slowly, your brain starts thinking in English.
And that is big improvement.
Sometimes I teach my family small English sentences, just basic things.
Oh, that's fun. Do they enjoy it?
Sometimes, yes. Sometimes they run away.
But even one small English sentence at home makes the environment positive.
Yes, it feels like a small English friendly home.
Sometimes I narrate my routine while doing it. For example, I am brushing my teeth. I am making tea. I am getting ready.
Oh, yes, running commentary of your life.
Exactly. It sounds funny, but it helps you speak faster.
And make speaking natural, not forced.
Why home practice works.
Home practice is powerful because you feel relaxed.
Yes, no fear, no pressure, no judgment.
You can practice anytime, anywhere with small steps.
And small steps every day bring big English improvement.
Okay, Alex, this was such a helpful topic.
Yes, practicing English at home is powerful.
If you're enjoying today's lesson, don't forget to hit the like button.
And make sure you subscribe to our channel, Learn English Easy Way, so you never miss a new episode.
Oh, and one more thing. Share this video with your friends who want to improve their English.
Your support really helps our channel grow. Thanks for listening.
Thank you, listeners, for learning and practicing with us.
Keep practicing, keep growing, keep improving.
Bye.
Bye.